Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to go through how to fill in the MySOS for Japan. And first of all, we will need the passport, date of birth, and your name. So that's easy. Then you need to click yes for location, yes or no depending do you go on with the child or not. And afterwards, it will ask you for a fast track option, and you should click yes for that. And that concludes for the first part of the registration. Then you see a red screen afterward, and to get to the blue screen, we need to go through a 4-steps process. First of all is to upload your scanned copy or photos of your passport. And after it will say complete, and you will go back to the screen and see the status change to scanning. You need to wait a while and the notification will come and you can go back to the app and see it's going to change to please verified. With this, you need to click into the option again and click register. Then you will see a message that tells you that registration is completed for the first step. We'll move on to the second step, which is the questionnaire part. You will see a please register and you can click in. And by clicking in the list of languages, you can choose your preferred language to complete the questionnaire. The questionnaire will start off on the departing flight information, which will need your departing date, the airline information, and your seat number. And since the second page involves personal information, so I'm going to move on to the third page, which will require you to input your stay in Japan. For example, your hotel address or your B&B address, which is basically just breaking down Google Map address into parts. The third question is about where did you stay for the past 14 days. So if you didn't move to any other cities, just input your city of residence. Then you will see a bunch of questions asking if you have been in contact with COVID patients or have any COVID-related symptoms. If you did, what are the symptoms and are you using any medicines, painkillers, or medications relevant to the COVID symptoms? So basically just click no if you don't have and move on. And last two parts would be entering your email. Enter it again to confirm, then enter a phone number, then enter it again to confirm. And congratulations, we are almost there. Second step completed. And the last step is to fill in information relevant to your vaccinations. So prepare your photocopy or scanned copy of your vaccination record, fill in all the details of your vaccination, or prepare a negative PCR result within 72 hours if you don't have 3 doses of vaccines. And that's it. Then you just have to wait for the code to turn blue and you're good to go. I did say 4 steps, it's actually 3 steps. Do leave a like and subscribe. See you in our next video.